follow them.
In the heart of Sundarbans, where rivers whisper to the trees, and every shadow hides an untold stories. Four young explorers follow a map no one believes is real. But today, the forest itself is about to answer them.
According to the map, we are almost there.
Look over there, it's beautiful.
I'm getting a shot of it now.
The map shows a split, but they all look the same.
They all look identical. Are you sure the map is right?
I see it now. It's the middle path. Follow me.
The map doesn't show the water, it shows the air. Look up, and you'll see what others never do.
Sometimes the forest gives sign only to those who look closely. Above them, three main threats awaited: danger, decay, and one alive with light.
Butterfly. It's faded, but it marks the exact spot where the rivers meet.
The Golden Fall.
That's it! It's the butterflies! We follow them!
The river grew thinner, its voice quieter, as if it feared what lay ahead. Even the sunlight seemed to think twice before stepping in.
I'm picking up a strange sound, like a high-pitched hum. It's coming from ahead.
Steady now. This is where the river ends and the forest begin. Tie it firm. This stone has seen more travelers than we ever will.
Come far enough to hear the forest breathe differently. What lies ahead isn't on any map, so let your senses guide you now.
The hum of the forest grew deeper, as if the land itself held its breath.
It's definitely coming from over there. What is it? The map shows nothing but trees.
I don't like this. It sounds angry.
Just when fear began to creep in, Omar found his own way to fight it.
Look what I found! It's the new Cheesy Blasts!
Wow, amazing!
The vines parted, and what waited beneath wasn't just stone. It was a doorway, hidden for centuries, half swallowed by the forest, still breathing its own secret air.
These stones, they're not local. They were brought here. This is part of a building.
Together, they walked in silence, brushing away centuries of sleep from the earth. Mud gave way to shape, and shape became symbol. What they revealed was no ordinary stone. It was built to be solved.
Symbols. They match the carvings perfectly.
Look, the stone is reacting to the drawings. It's incredible!
Deep in the mangroves, the ancient map became a key, aligning symbols forgotten by time. As the final piece clicked into place,
It's a riddle. The map is the key.
That's it! Turn it! Now!
Almost. There.
Anyone else hear that? It said something.
Not said, sung. The map isn't just drawn, it's scored.
Guys? That's not normal!
as the murky pool drained away, the ground itself revealed the true secret, a hidden stone staircase spiraling down into the cool darkness below.
So, we're going under the river? In a mangrove swamp? Is that safe?
Do not worry, we will be careful.
Life is boring. This is the secret part of the secret map. Let's go!
The group descended the ancient staircase, the air growing cool and fresh. Below them, a strange hum grew louder, echoing like voices from the deep darkness.
It sounds like voices.
Deeper now, the tunnel wall revealed a story carved in stone, ancient people and a side great, whispering waterfall.
This is impossible. The engineering to keep this tunnel dry. It's ancient, but incredibly advanced.
It's incredible. The energy signature is off the charts. What is this place?
This is where ghosts hang out. Someone else goes first.
Not ghosts, guardians.
Then they're listening. Keep your light steady.
At the end of the tunnel, a faint light promised an answer. The humming they followed was now a roar, the sound of the falls rushing from the darkness.
The humming, it wasn't voices. It's the fall itself.
Every droplet's an echo.
They emerged from the narrow tunnel into a place that should not exist, a vast, secret underground cavern. And there, in the center, was the legend itself, illuminated by a single, impossible shaft of sunlight from a hole far above, was Whispering Fall. The kids could only stare, speechless, their faces frozen in pure silent wonder. The sound was deafening, yet soft, a million whisper as the water vanished into mist before it ever hit the ground. The falls were not the only secret, for in the center something glittered, waiting on a stone pedestal.
Legends are true. They say the falls are a doorway. The water, it turns to air, repeating coordinates, but in star positions.
You mean the map isn't on Earth?
They match the map.
In the center of the vast cavern, a single stone pedestal waited. Driven by instinct, Maya stepped forward. She walked directly into the curtain of mist, the whispering falls themselves, and the water parted around her, leaving her untouched. Upon the pedestal sat a single, ornate metal box, with the other watching in breathless awe. She lifted the heavy lid. Inside was not gold, but something far more impossible. A beautiful compass-like astrolabe of brass and crystal. The moment she picked it up, the device wired to life, and the crystals at its heart began to glow, projecting a brilliant beam of light, not of a map, but of strange unknown star constellations, painting the cavern wall with a new cosmic mystery.
Somewhere else.
Every ending in these forests hides the next beginning.
The astrolabe flared to light, projecting a map of unknown stars. The children stared in wonder, realizing their adventure was only just beginning.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! A map is one thing. That is not a map.
It's a stable energy field. It's a doorway.
It wasn't just a map. It's still writing itself.
Get heavy eye. It has truly begun.
Didi, aku udah lapar.